2015 Tier 1 USA Edition. 5-case random. We are going to go 5 times on the randoms. Good luck, everybody. Thank you all. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th and final time. We don't get to have fun, Josh. And 5 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Mariners up top, Cardinals at the bottom. 5 times. Cardinals going to Fubu. Fubu, if you're in here, Casey is interested in buying if you are interested in selling. There you go. That's pretty cool, Josh. Omar Vizquel card sold for $2,000, Gary. You got a chance. Actually, I think that was the Asia edition, though. Right on. There you go, Ben. Yeah, it was the Asia edition one, though, Gary. So unfortunately, that would not be in this one. But if you get the 1-1, you're probably looking at like $4,000. What? A Royal? What is a Royal? I don't know. Guns has the Royals. Feel tough Guns. Not sure if Guns is in here or not. Astros A's is a sneaky good spot, too. That's a sneaky good spot. It's like next thing you know, you got 14 Ricky Hendersons and 15 Jose Cansecos. Gary, everything from Taipei has already been shipped out, and everything from Tokyo will be shipped out no later than Wednesday. So pretty solid turnaround, I would say. I think McGuire's on the Cardinals on this. But I'm not 100% sure. He's on the A's? No kidding. Maybe I'm on crack. Well, thank you, Gary. Braves are not bad, Josh. They are not bad. That's for damn sure. Now we just got to hit. Couple more minutes workout deals. Then we're going to rip. Again, we go right back into the mystery boxes. Crown Royals very close, and Gold Standard very close. What's up, Steve-O? Blue Jays for Astros. Any other deals? Any other deals? All right, I'm going to start unopening the product. If anybody has any other deals, let me know. Is that an offer or a confirmed, Dorian? KCT will buy the Cardinals, Fubu, if you'd like to discuss anything with Casey real quick. We got probably about another 5 minutes or so. Yes, it is, Cards fan. Five glorious cases of it at that. About 35 minutes. Half hour-ish, yeah. I didn't cut them off, damn it. Henry, you got the Orioles. Not bad. No, thank you, sir. Good luck to you. Crown Royal number 10 and Gold Standard number 4. Both very close to fill in for a chance at mystery box on steroids. Go check out the store while we're ripping this 5-caser. Southpaw, you have to do that in the chat, man, between you guys. Sadly, I don't have the ability to do that. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's fine. Um, talk to Komotes about it though first, if you would, please. So the Rockets are still winning. Bring on all the Tulos. How much time's left? Enough time for them to blow it? Oh, one. Looks like the Rockets are going to win one game in the series. Totally underestimated how long it was going to take me to pick all these packs out. Still got like a 10-minute trade period. I'm not, Casey. Komotes, let me know if you're in here, man. Southpaw would like to. He was under the assumption that the A's were coming with the Astros. He would like to void that trade. Yeah, I mean, for sure. I would say if you guys could discuss it, I was letting you know if you guys were able to discuss it and work it out, that would be phenomenal. No, Dano. Actually, I think I still own. I think I still own that title potentially. Because you said special. For sure, for sure. Yeah, he liked the scissor game for sure. For what it's worth, Greg. I don't think he meant any intent about it. He calls me Pala quite frequently as well. It's just how softball talks. Cubs is triple X, yeah. Triple X is not here. He wanted to gift you them? Well, you know what? Your word's good with me. Yours. Done. I have not touched a single pack. What's up, Jax? So we're about to the end. What's the final verdict? Southpaw, Comotes. What's up, Baez? It's disgusting. Southpaw, check your IM real quick. So we can get ripping. All right. Thanks, Greg. Sorry for confusion, man. Astros and Blue Jays. All right, Southpaw, you're back on the Blue Jays, man. Jocks. Right. That's how I still feel, Jocks. All right, here we go. Good luck. Number to 10, Ruby. Oh, wow. Ruby De La Rosa. I didn't even know he was in here. For the Chicago White Sox, Carlos Rodon. I did not know he was even in this. And Shin 2 to 399 for the Rangers. Number to 399, Corey Spangenberg for the Padres. To 399, Andres Galarraga for the Nationals. And Shelby Miller to 399 for the Cardinals. To 349 for the Nationals, Michael Taylor. To 299, Jim Rice for the Red Sox. To 25, Juan Marichal for the Giants. To 399, CC Sabathia for the Yankees. Mike Foltynewicz to 399 for the Astros. To 399, Mookie Wilson for the Mets. To 399, Steven Strasburg for the Nationals. To 299, Alex Cobb for the Rays. To 50, David Wright for the Mets. Jay Bruce to 399 for the Reds. Number to 399 for the Blue Jays, Marcus Stroman. Number to 50 for the Blue Jays, Roberto Alomar. Billy Hamilton to 399 for the Reds. Number to 399 for the Blue Jays, Aaron Sanchez. 399, Rob Dibble for the Reds. 399, David Wright for the Mets. For the Astros, to 299, Brett Oberholzer. To 299, El Duque for the Yankees. Numbered 1 of 5 for the Yankees, Joe DiMaggio. 1 of 5, triple. To 399, Adrian Gonzalez. Number to 399 for the Cubbies, Alcantara, and right in my face for the White Sox. Number to 99, Frank Thomas. Nasty big hurt. To 399, Pablo Sandoval. For the Phillies, to 349, Maikel Franco. To 399, Vinny Castilla for the Rockies. Number to 50, Ryan Howard. 199.99, 5-case random, 28 spots. To 399 for the Mets, Rafael Montero. Chase Heatley to 299 for the Yankees. To 399, Alan Craig for the Red Sox. Oh, that's disgusting. Number to 10, Freddie Freeman for the Braves. To 399, Rob Dibble for the Reds. And for the San Francisco Giants, 3-color jumbo, Brandon Belt. Nasty Giants jumbo. Going to Dorian. I said Dorian. To 349. Oh, Ruby De La Rosa for the Red Sox. Number 2 of 10. Mike Piazza, Carlton Fisk, and Johnny Bench. Mets, Red Sox, and Reds. Nasty random. Very nice card. To 199, Wade Boggs. And to 399, CC Sabathia for the Yankees. Number to 25 for the Mariners, Kyle Seager. To 249 for the Diamondbacks, Luis Gonzalez. To 199, Vladimir Guerrero for the Angels. To 399, Adam Wainwright for the Cardinals. Number to 399, C.J. Cron for the Angels. To 25 for the Royals, Bo Jackson. Bo knows Tier 1. And 399, Jason Hayward. Who had the Royals? 147 Guns. Still so many packs to go. Ooh, what do we got here? That's sick. To 399, Marcus Stroman. Bo Jackson was the clear card. For the Braves, numbered to 5, 3-color jumbo patch auto, Freddie Freeman. Nasty Josh. And Chris Davis to 399 for the Orioles. To 99 for the Marlins, Christian Yelp. To 399, Daniel Nava for the Red Sox. To 299, Chipper Jones for the Braves. Number to 399, Juan Lagares for the Mets. To 399, Brandon Crawford for the Giants. To 199, Cespedes. To 399, Jay Bruce for the Reds. Bo Jackson, Ben. If you cannot hear me, can somebody please type that for Ben? To 349, Joe Kelly for the Red Sox. To 299, thank you, Monty, Omar Vizquel for the Cleveland Indians. To 399, Xander Bogaerts for the Red Sox. To 399 for the Red Sox, Anthony Renato. Adrian Gonzalez to 99, 2-color patch auto for the Dodgers. To 399, Strasburg for the Nationals. Dilson Herrera to 349 for the Mets. Carlos Delgado for the Blue Jays, 1 of 99, 3-color patch. And Adrian Gonzalez to 399 for the Dodgers. To 399, Rafael Montero for the Mets. To 99 for the Dodgers, Clayton Kershaw. Who picked up the Dodgers in the random? Going to Ben. There you go, Ben. And over to 50, Garrett Cole. Ben must be lagging. That's probably why he kept asking about the Bo Jackson. For the Orioles, to 25, Jonathan Scope. To 299, Koji Gahara for the Red Sox. To 199, Juan Gonzalez for the Rangers. 25 for the Rays, Chris Archer. For the Diamondbacks, Paul Goldschmidt with a nasty 3-color patch and a little bit of plastic. How about that? A 3-color patch with some plastic. Got him. Paul Goldschmidt. Hanley Ramirez, 25 for the Dodgers. To 349 for the Blue Jays, Daniel Norris. To 399, Chris Johnson for the Braves. Giancarlo Stanton to 399 for the Marlins. To 225, Tyson Ross for the Padres. Evan Longoria, 3-color to 99 for the Rays. To 299, Zach Greinke for the Dodgers. Number to 50 for the Pirates, Gregory Polanco. For the Nationals, to 399, Rondell White. 399, Shelby Miller for the Cardinals. To 399 for the Angels, C.J. Cron. And we're coming back at you to 399 with Rondell White. And it's 299, Tim Raines. To 349 for the Nationals, Michael Taylor. To 249 for the Mets, Michael Kadire. Number to 50, Ricky Henderson. To 399, Tanaka. For the Yankees, to 349, Shane Green. To 399, Daniel Nava for the Red Sox. Troy Tulowitzki to 399 for the Rockies. To 399 for the Giants, Joe Panic. For the Diamondbacks, to 249, Luis Gonzalez. Number to 50 for the Cubbies, Ryan Sandberg. To 199, Jim Rice. We got a redemption. To 399, Ron Gant.